Hello and welcome back to Kuki Decor, your go-to channel for creative wood furniture and decor ideas. In today's video, we are diving into the rustic beauty of barn wood wall art designs ideas that will instantly transform any space in your home. Whether you're looking to add warmth, character, or a touch of farmhouse charm, these unique and eye-catching barn wood art ideas are perfect for giving your walls a stylish upgrade. From minimalist patterns to intricate handcrafted pieces, you'll find inspiration that suits every style and skill level. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's explore how reclaimed barn wood can turn your walls into true works of art. If you're looking to add warmth, texture, and a timeless rustic charm to your living space, there's nothing quite like barn wood wall art. In today's world of modern interiors and minimalist decor, many homeowners and DIY enthusiasts are rediscovering the raw beauty and authenticity of reclaimed barn wood. Whether it's salvaged from old farm structures or sourced from repurposed wood shops, barn wood offers a unique character with its weathered texture, rich grain, and aged patina. It tells a story, one that brings nature, history, and craftsmanship into your home. In this video, we'll show you how to transform your plain walls into stunning focal points using creative and stylish barn wood art designs that are perfect for any room, from the cozy farmhouse kitchen to a modern rustic living room or bedroom. One of the best things about barn wood wall art is its versatility. You can keep things simple with a minimalist plank arrangement or go bold with a geometric statement piece. Whether you're creating a DIY project from scratch or purchasing pre-made pieces, barn wood offers endless design potential. For example, a large wooden wall panel made from staggered barn wood planks can make a dramatic headboard alternative in the bedroom. Or consider a reclaimed wood mosaic, combining light and dark tones to create an artistic pattern that feels both vintage and modern. These kinds of pieces not only serve as art, but also add depth and warmth to otherwise flat and sterile walls. Another popular idea is crafting framed barn wood signs with meaningful quotes or words. Using stencil or laser-etched lettering, you can personalize your piece with messages like "Home Sweet Home," "Gather," or even coordinates of a special place. These signs are perfect for entryways, dining areas, or even bathrooms. The contrast between the rough wood and crisp white or black text adds visual interest while still maintaining a rustic elegance. For a more artistic flair, barn wood frames can also house canvas paintings, botanical prints, or even antique mirror inserts, giving your wall decor a beautifully weathered finish. If you're more inclined toward DIY projects, barn wood offers an easy and affordable material to work with. For beginners, start with a small project like a wooden arrow set, which you can paint or stain to match your interior color scheme. Mount them in different directions or cluster them together for a modern tribal-inspired look. More advanced crafters might try building a 3D wall sculpture using reclaimed wood cut into triangles, diamonds, or hexagons. When arranged creatively, these shapes can create intricate wall patterns that draw attention and elevate your room's aesthetic. You can also incorporate metal elements, rope, or leather to bring in other textures and give your design a mixed media touch. For those who appreciate the charm of nature, barn wood art can also reflect organic forms. Think tree silhouettes cut from planks and layered on a solid wood base, or mountain range outlines made from varying wood tones. These nature-inspired designs blend beautifully with both rustic cabins and modern boho interiors. Another fantastic idea is to use barn wood as a backdrop for a vertical herb garden or wall-mounted planter box. It brings greenery indoors while staying true to the earthy, rustic theme. Incorporating barn wood wall art into your home doesn't mean you have to stick strictly to country or farmhouse styles. With a bit of creativity, you can blend this rustic material with industrial, modern, coastal, or even Scandinavian design schemes. For instance, a sleek floating shelf made from reclaimed barn would look stunning on a crisp white wall in a minimalist setting. Paired with black metal brackets, it adds a rugged touch without overwhelming the space. Likewise, a barn wood art piece featuring clean lines or asymmetrical shapes can offer a contemporary twist that feels fresh and unique. Color also plays a big role in barn wood design. Depending on the original source of the wood and its exposure to the elements, barn wood can range in tone from soft grays and silvers to deep browns and reds. You can choose to leave the wood in its natural state to highlight its age and texture, or apply a subtle whitewash or stain to match your room's palette. Mixing finishes can also create beautiful contrast, such as pairing light gray planks with raw oak or using a black frame around naturally weathered boards. These small design decisions can help you create a custom look that fits seamlessly with your overall decor theme. If you're not ready to commit to a full wall piece, barn wood accents can still make a big impact. Try a trio of small square art panels arranged vertically in a hallway, or place a narrow barn wood shelf above your bed to display candles, books, or family photos. Even something as simple as a barn wood clock or a rustic wood cross can add personality and soul to your space. The key is to think beyond traditional canvas art and explore the depth and texture that barn wood can offer. At its core, barn wood wall art is more than just decoration, it's a statement. It shows that you value sustainability, craftsmanship, and authenticity. Every dent, knot, and nail hole in the wood tells a story, making each piece truly one of a kind. By choosing to use reclaimed materials, you're not only creating a beautiful space, but also helping reduce waste and preserve a piece of history. Whether you're an interior design lover, a DIY crafter, or someone simply looking to breathe new life into your walls, barn wood wall art is a timeless and stylish solution. So, if your walls are looking a little bare or your space is missing that cozy, lived-in feeling, it might be time to consider the natural elegance of barn wood. From simple planked artwork to bold geometric installations, there's truly no limit to what you can create. Let your imagination lead the way, and don't be afraid to experiment with different sizes, textures, and finishes. With a little creativity and some reclaimed wood, you can transform any ordinary wall into a standout feature that reflects your personal style and love for timeless design. Thanks for watching. We hope these barn wood wall art ideas sparked your creativity and inspired you to bring a touch of rustic elegance into your home. Whether you're repurposing old barn wood or starting a new DIY project, the possibilities are endless when it comes to crafting unique and meaningful wall decor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kuki Decor, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest wood decor inspiration. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which design was your favorite, or share your own barn wood creations. Until next time, keep crafting and decorating with nature's timeless beauty.